Unraveling the delights of penne pasta, a language feast. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic: penne pasta. We often encounter different cuisines in the English language, and understanding them enriches our vocabulary and cultural knowledge. So, let's explore what penne pasta means, its origin, and how to use this term in our conversations. Penne pasta is a popular type of pasta in Italian cuisine. The word penne refers to the shape of the pasta, which resembles a quill or pen's nib. It's characterized by its cylindrical shape and angled cuts at the ends. Penne comes in two main varieties: penne lisce, smooth, and penne rigate, with ridges. These ridges are excellent for holding onto sauces. The term penne is derived from the Latin word penna, meaning feather or quill. This connection highlights how language evolves and borrows from different cultures. Penne pasta originated in Italy and has become a staple in Italian and global cuisine. Knowing the origin of food terms like this can make your English conversations more colorful and informed. When talking about penne pasta, you might encounter it in various contexts. 1. Recipes and cooking shows. Today, we're making a creamy chicken penne pasta. 2. Restaurants and menus. I'll have the penne pasta with marinara sauce, please. 3. Cultural references. Penne pasta is often used in traditional Italian dishes. Understanding these contexts helps in both comprehension and expression when discussing food in English. I hope this video has made you both hungry for penne pasta and eager to use your new vocabulary in English conversations. Remember, exploring food terms is not just about language, it's about culture and history too. So, keep learning and enjoying the journey. Bon appétit and happy learning!